The growth that Miro has gone on over the last 6 months matched our speed, need, desire all at the same time. So there was a bit of a meeting of the minds, I'd say.
When OpenAI put ChatGPT up, every conversation I had, someone said, "So you're going to go out of business, aren't you?" It was a pretty existential moment. We could either stick our heads in the sand or we could run towards the lights.
Very early on, our technologists were well ahead of the curve in terms of wanting to use these technologies and approaches.
We realised that the roadmap that Miro had was very much in line with our own roadmap of where we wanted to go. So features like sidekicks and AI workflows were concepts maybe 6 or 7 months ago, but when we talked to Miro about what we wanted to do, those two were very much aligned.
So Dava.Flow is Endava's AI native engagement model. I think it is offering, for once and for all, an ability for customers to have continuity of thought. You can take a client transcript, a coffee meeting, ideation, value, concepts, prototypes, diagrams, documents, and we're able to take all of that and in one single click, move it through a sidekick directly into the IDE, and then you then see the engineering powerhouse come to life. And that is the moment of like, oh, okay, we're doing something completely different today.
One of the things that's really important about Miro within Dava.Flow is the way in which it allows us to bridge context from something that can be a very high-level conversation with a key stakeholder and then taking that down into code. We're not losing any context as we go through that process.
We're enabling people to be more creative in their interactions with other people, and that's the exciting thing about these technologies for me.
Being able to look at things that were not on the platform on a Monday, providing direct feedback, and then by Thursday, that feature that we needed exists. That's the speed that we need to be working with, and that's where you can see true value come out in a partnership.